Yeah. Okay, it's Friday, September 14th, 2018. We got some shingles on the ground. This is Hurricane Florence, 7:30 in the morning. There's some shingles on the ground. I don't see any. There's some that are up on the roof there, but I don't see them off. This is our front yard. There's our neighbor David. We put some wood in between the windows since we didn't have plywood to nail it up. But over here is our pond. It is flooded as hell over here. This is all flooded. Our front trees stayed up, sort of. Got some broken branches. We got our uprooted tree over here. See this? Whoa! There's water here. This is all flooded. This tree is down. I knew this one was gonna go. Oh yeah, it's all flooded. Our pond is over there. I'm gonna walk around there and I'll get it. This tree stayed up, but these, holy crap. This is my game trail stayed up. I wish I would have had it facing that way to see that. So we'll see what that picked up. Wow. And this one got uprooted. See how big these are. I didn't even think anything would happen with these. I'm gonna have to, I don't have a chainsaw. I'm gonna have to buy a chainsaw because I don't have one. So, okay, that uprooted. Okay. Holy crap. Kelly, you see this? Yeah, that's our pond over there. That tree in the middle is like an island, and that sticks about 4 feet, 3 feet out of the water. It's almost level. And this is our pond right here. Used to be able to walk around here, but now it goes all the way to the end. It's going to connect with the neighbor's pond across there. And that tree is down. All the weeds are down, which is good. Now we'll have to go around back. I can't walk this way. I don't know how deep that is, but I'm surprised this tree stayed. That's rotted out and dead. So we'll walk around this way. This is crazy. This is our first hurricane that we actually lived through. I got home about 8:45 last night, and we'll walk around the side here. I got home about 8:45 from work last night. It just pulled in, and it was windy and raining. But now we got to do something. I'm wearing my old hat, so if I lose it, I don't know where these shingles came from, but it's probably from up there. This is the front of our house. Hey, the door's open. You want to go over and say hi? Yeah, I mean, this is crazy. Okay, here's the other side. Okay, his pond did all right. He's got some stuff. We got some stuff in the dryer, but his pond, can't see it from the other side, but his pond did all right. Okay, yeah. This is Colin's car in the Jeep. Looks like the canvas roof did okay. Our good tree stayed up. No broken windows. So, all right, let's take a look back here. Okay, my shed with the bike stayed up and it's not flooded. So that's a good sign. It's damp. It usually gets mucky here. That's why I told them not to park. But it looks like the bike's gonna be okay. It hasn't flooded here. So these are all weeds we haven't cut down yet because I haven't had the money to get the tools. I was hoping the wind would take some down, but I guess it didn't. So this is the back. I thought this would be more flooded than it is because there's a stream back here and it's been flooded in the rain before. Oh, it's a little flooded right here. I'm walking through some water. Yeah, oh, it's really flooded back. Okay, see, there's the stream you can see. Oh, see, this is our fire pit. Yeah, it's pretty, yeah, it's flooded back here. Not as bad as I thought. And the water's cold. Okay, you can see the shingles fared well on the roof, but we lost some siding on the side of the house underneath the window. You can see it coming off there. We lost some siding. Looks like most of the shingles are off that shitty porch, which needs to come down anyways, and that's okay because that porch is junk anyway. It needs to be replaced. So walk over here. I don't think I can walk any farther because this is pretty flooded. It's up to my ankles now. Yeah, this is all flooded. Yeah, our yard is flooded here. It's up. You can see it's up to my above my ankles right here. And yeah, it's all flooded right here. That's our pond. See that lone tree sitting up? Oh, this is the pond from the other side. But now we have a gigantic pond. So this is where we're at so far. I'm gonna try. I don't know what's in this yard. It was hard to walk through here to begin with. It would get mucky. But we're gonna try to walk to the other side. Let's get a little deeper here. Yeah, this is our whole pond now. See where all those cattails are down? That was the edge of the pond, or it's supposed to be. But so our pond is this overflowed right now. Yeah, right here is the edge of our pond, and you can see that it's full. That tree sticking up right there is kind of a little island in the middle of the pond, and it was about 3.5 feet high. It's level with the pond now, and all of these cattails are down, which I didn't want them all down. I was going to clean them up anyways. So yeah, this is all flooded. Here's the side. The side did okay. You gotta watch where I walk. I know there was some shit over here that I could step in. I don't know, this gate is locked, but I'm gonna see if I can get in this way. Okay, yeah. The lock didn't work too well. Oh, spider web. That motherfucker's been hiding from the fucking... He's been hiding over here in the corner from the storm all night. He's been here for a couple weeks. After killing the first one, we let him go because they eat bugs and mosquitoes. There's a lot of that shit around here. But he's been hiding here all night, I guess. Close this. And we'll walk around and look at the you can see the flooding coming in here to our yard right there. Look at the rock. It's gonna flood right here. You can see it. I Might have been some. I'm hoping it's just shingles off this porch. This porch is junk and needs to come down, so that's not an issue if that's the damage. We got some damage there. Okay, Kelly fixed the siding a little bit. The siding under the window came off. So there's another shingle. I'm really hoping they're just off, they're coming off the porch there. So, took down some weeds. But it looks like we did okay considering. Our power's out. It went out last night about 9:30 and hasn't been on since. Trailer stayed. So there you go. That's what we got so far. Hurricane Florence 2018. Our first hurricane as a resident in North Carolina. Crazy. But not as bad as I thought it was going to be. So, I'll update later. I can't upload right now because we have no Wi-Fi and 4G doesn't get back here. So, we'll upload later.